They give you 2 of everything, or?
No, it's just one. I got a pretty sweet Frisbee.
Okay.
I also got a camera.
Oh,
cheese.
You just gonna take a picture yourself?
Yeah.
What? Hey, don't you think I should have a fanny pack too? I mean, I got a lot of camera gear and...
Hot out here. What's in here? Whoa, another shirt.
Hey.
Hey.
What size is it? I wear a
shirt. What do you wear?
Medium.
Oh, it's a medium though.
Yeah, that's what I wear.
Yeah, I could squeeze into it. Want to go again?
All right, yeah.
Here we go.
My name is Teddy Tommy, and this is my unsolicited submission to be the next spokesperson for O'Reilly. Oh, and that's my best friend / cameraman, Harley.
Hey, O'Reilly, I got your thank you letter and your sweet swag. Still haven't gotten that contract in the mail yet, though. That's okay. Harley and I went ahead and made a commercial just to show you what it would look like if I was the face of your company. Also, remember that green screen technology is new to us, and I'm pretty sure we nailed it.
Do you ever feel like auto parts stores just don't have what you need?
38 different kinds of air freshener? What the heck?
Then come to O'Reilly, where we have everything that you need and nothing that you don't. Hi, I'm Teddy Tommy, 10-time dirt track champion, and not only do I race for O'Reilly, I also wear the green because I'm a regular team member.
Hello, O'Reilly employee. Can you help me figure out what kind of brake pads work best on my Buick Grand National?
That's a hell of a car, and yes, of course I can. We have some brake best brake pads, perfect for it.
Thank you. Hey, wait a second. Aren't you that super famous race car driver?
Maybe. Ow! Yes.
Cool.
Hey, O'Reilly, I hope you liked our commercial. Feel free to air that sucker wherever you want. That's your license, I guess. We'll give that one to you for free. And stick around, maybe watch a little bit more of that cast tutorial. I guess Harley put that in there. A little bit of me learning how to use my body.
Oh man, Teddy, that was a good run-up. Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm looking for my friend Teddy Tommy.
Come on, man. Harley, it's me, Teddy.
Teddy? Is that you?
Did some makeup, you know? All the NASCAR analysts are doing it. Watched a YouTube tutorial. Wanted to look like a fierce cat.
Wow. Yeah, you do kind of look like a cat.
Yeah, thank you. You know, on the track, people be scared. It was like cats tutorial.
Wait, you talking about the Broadway play Cats?
Oh, shoot. Y'all make sure to subscribe and also watch the rest of my Teddy Tommy videos. And if you really want to learn some awesome stuff, watch the O'Reilly how-to videos. They got year, model, and make specific videos for you. And man, it's like they got every single car ever. Wonder what that garage is like. Probably awesome. Wonder if it's got like a lock on it.